Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spinach frittata. First, gather your ingredients: 6 large eggs, 5 ounces of fresh spinach, and 1/4 cup of milk. Next, dice 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Ensure you have an 8-inch oven-safe, non-stick pan ready for cooking. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in your 8-inch pan over medium heat. Add the diced onion and sauté it for about 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes soft and translucent. Next, add the minced garlic and the fresh spinach. Cook this mixture until the spinach has completely wilted down, which usually takes just a couple of minutes. This step builds the flavor base. Time to bring it all together. In a separate bowl, whisk your 6 large eggs with 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and some black pepper. Pour this egg mixture evenly over the sautéed vegetables in your pan. Cook the frittata on the stovetop for about 3 to 4 minutes, allowing the edges to set. Then, transfer the pan to your preheated oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes until it's set and golden. Once baked, remove your delicious spinach frittata from the oven. Let it cool for about 5 minutes before slicing it into wedges. This cooling period helps it set perfectly. You can garnish it with some fresh herbs like parsley or chives for an extra burst of flavor. Serve it warm for breakfast, brunch, or a light dinner. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.